What's up, weirdos? Good afternoon. I was going to say good morning, but it's afternoon. What's going on, guys? What's going on? How's everybody doing out there today? So, we're going to pull up the ZBEC chart to have a look at while we get into the chat. ZBEC's looking juicy, guys. Looking juicy for continuation to the upside. Interestingly enough, I was watching Cesar today, and he was talking about ZBEC. He figures that we're going to top out soon and have a pullback, and I agree. I do agree. Here's the thing, guys. I've been getting someone made a comment on one of my videos this morning, and they said something to the effect of, I don't understand why people are calling for a pullback. If you're looking at this chart on ZBEC, being up 418% on the month, and you don't understand why people are calling for a pullback, then you're showing an extreme lack of experience in the market, right? At this point. So, yeah, that's what I would say. And I don't mean that in a negative context. I'm just saying you need to be more educated in the space. If you think something goes up over 400% and that people shouldn't be expecting a pullback, you're crazy, right? You're going to get wrecked. So yeah, that's what I would say to that. Let's get into the chat. We got a super sticker from Alberto, my guy, my dude. Thank you so much, man. And listen, guys, you know what? I wanted to just express my pride in this community, guys. Over in our Patreon community, we had a member who fell for a scam over on Discord, and our community rallied around our community member, and everybody helped, and we got our community member back in the game, guys. That is what I'm talking about when I talk about the strength and the passion of this community over on the Patreon. It's it's amazing, the support that everyone has for each other. I'm so proud of all of you guys for that. So proud. Daryl, what's up, buddy? Let's go. J Money, Bulbasaur, first Pokemon of the day. My dude, my guy. Mary, ZBEC to the moon. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Isaac, second Pokemon. Greetings, my friend. What's up, brother? Brandon, my portfolio is green thanks to ZBEC. Let's go. Ruben, just watched one of Cesar's videos on SwiftCoin. He thinks we'll get to over $1, maybe $5 to $8 this cycle. What do you think? Yeah, I've watched his price targets on SwiftCoin. I mean, I don't think it'll get to $1, but I could see a world where it does. I mean, the tokenomics on it are absolutely phenomenal. The chart is phenomenal. So if someone was to say to me, if I fell into a coma for a month or 6 months and I woke up and you told me that SwiftCoin hit $1, I'd be like, okay, yeah, I could see it. Do I think it's going to happen though? No, I don't. Right? What do we got? Parallel Life really is the best community you could ever be a part of. You guys and gals that aren't over here just don't understand. Absolutely. That's the thing. They don't know what they're missing, right? Strawberry Dragon, thank you for my bigger cookie jar. I'm getting fat, P-H-A-T, pretty hot and tempting. Yeah, here's the thing, guys. We did another swing trade last night on Cookie, and we did absolutely phenomenal. That's 3 fantastic swing trades in 3 days over on the Patreon, guys. You're missing out. You're missing out on opportunity if you are not over there. The link is in the chat. It's in the pinned comments. It's in the description. Get over there, guys. We helped a lot of people make double, triple their cookie bags last night. Parallel Life, what's up, man? Rob, you're the man. Much love. Absolutely, much love. I hit Gary Daly. Hit the like, folks. It costs you absolutely nothing. Yes, absolutely, Gary. I agree, man. Jake the Snake, big TikTokers are just starting to find a pump. ZBEC. Feels good to have been buying early. Yes, guys, that's the thing. The next project that's going to pump, like ZBEC's pumping now, we are in accumulation mode on this gem over on the Patreon. Get over there, guys. Dennis, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. If only we could get TikTok to push another certain token. Soon enough, brother. Soon enough. Jetpack's on it, right? JNF, what's up? Give some love to the GOAT and hit the like button and subscribe. And be safe out there. Move your tokens to decent biometric wallet. Yes, guys, we're going to talk about that, right? So, again, one of our community members got scammed, lost everything, okay? Wallet drained. Guys, that is why I keep saying to you guys, you know, yes, they're a channel sponsor, but guys, listen. You need self-custody of your crypto so your wallets don't get drained. You don't fall for things. And everyone thinks that they're not going to fall for something and they're not going to get scammed until they do, right? In fact, our community member that got scammed over on Discord, his exact words today were, I never thought this would happen to me. And there's so many people out there who feel the same way. There's scams. And guys, listen, as we are entering the more parabolic phase of the bull run, these scams are going to get worse. They're going to get more intense, and they're realistic, right? So get yourself a decent biometric wallet, guys. Use our link and get a great deal. They got like a 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet. Do not allow your wallet to get drained because you fell for something, right? So yeah, be careful out there, guys. Is it a good option to transfer some profits from Zbic to Miria? It's not terrible. It's not terrible. Guys, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow. Doesn't cost you a single solitary penny. And it would mean the whole wide world to little old me. So go ahead and choose the HBO special, guys. The Help a Brother Out. And yeah, let's get it going. Like I said, we have a phenomenal community, guys, that you really, really want to be a part of, okay? Kiza, hello, Rob. Hope you're good. What do you think about Bitcoin dominance dropping off anytime soon? Well, you know what? Let's go look at the Bitcoin dominance chart right now. Let's have a looky-loo. Let's have a looky-loo, shall we? Well, while we're on it, we might as well look at the M2 money supply. It's kind of, so it spiked yesterday, and now it's just kind of trading sideways today, which is good. It's better than dumping. I want to see this make another leg up, right? So we're going to keep track of the M2. Hopefully it continues its leg up. But let's go look at the Bitcoin dominance. All right. Yeah, it's climbing again, right? Now, I'm going to be honest with you here, man. I have my little altcoin season box down here is where I think altcoin season will be, where I think Bitcoin dominance will be in the altcoin season. But I think that we're probably going to see Bitcoin dominance climb probably somewhere between 70 and 72,000 or 72%. That would not surprise me if we go up and hit that box for Bitcoin's peak before we come down into altcoin season. So that's kind of what I'm watching there. Let's actually put that right here. Bitcoin top. There. We'll leave that like that, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking at for the Bitcoin dominance. Let's check out the Dixie while we're at it. What's the Dixie do? I haven't looked at the Dixie in a while. Oh, she's getting closer and closer to our altcoin season box. Very nice. Very nice. You like it. Yes. What do we got here? Another super chat. Rob Father, please look into Swiftcoin targets soon. I think I already have. Yeah, so for Swiftcoin, I mean, we're just kind of trading inside this range right now, this accumulation range. My target, I don't know why it's on here, why it's not on here. I had it on here before. My target for Swiftcoin is right here. My next leg up for Swiftcoin is right here. Between 3 cents and 3 cents one. That's my next leg up for Swiftcoin. Brandon, in green on ZBIC, but down. In green on ZBIC, but down up to 30% on other projects. Down up? Up to. Okay. Should I take some profits in DCA? Well, I mean, I'm going to be talking about that actually over on the Patreon later today. I'm going to be giving my opinion on that. So join me over there. Bruno, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Green tea. We got Squirtle in the house. Good afternoon. Expert Consulting. ZBIC. Very nice. Yes. Leo's in the house. What's up, man? Paul, good to see you. Good to see you, man. Cryptus. Hey, Robin, crypto fan. ZBIC still melting faces. Hell yeah, it is. Let's get back over to the ZBIC chart. Hell yeah, it is. So I'm going to put an extra box here because, like I said, I was watching Caesar today, and I'm going to put his box on here. Now, this isn't a guarantee, guys. Understand that. This is just fun, right? So I believe he said that he could see in the most bullish scenario, he could see, where are we here? 5.5. I think he said 5.5, somewhere between 5.5 and 6.7. I'm going to make his box a different color. No, that's not a good color. Let's make it a different color. White. Sure. There. So that's his target. Caesar thinks, if I'm correct, if I remember, we could come up inside of here to top, somewhere inside this box, and then we're going to roll over. Right? So that's what he was saying on his video today. And I agree with him. I agree with him. That's why I'm talking about it, because I agree with him. Right? Now, where do I think it's going to happen? When do I think it's going to happen? And what's the plan? That's going to be over on the Patreon. Volks, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. There she is, Gamma Goddess. Happy Memorial Day. Respect to all the men and women who served and gave their lives. You are appreciated and loved. Hope everyone is doing well. I can't type right today. Still a little tired. Hey, no problem. No problem. Hope everyone is having a great day. Let's get this money. Absolutely. Let's get this powder, baby. Another local. Thank you, Rob and Familia, for the support. Beware of scammers. I lost everything today. Sad days ahead, but we will be back. Love you all. Hey, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Lord of the Realm, what's up, buddy? Keep your coins on your cold storage wallets. Yes, absolutely, man. Rob Father. Like and subscribe. Patreon for the win. Absolutely, man. Savvy, what's up, man? Do you think we are due for a pullback? Yes, I do. Carlos, hey, Rob, glad to be part of this community. Would really appreciate some guidance. I'm very new to trading, looking for some good advice. Carlos, get your butt over to the Patreon, because that's what we do over there. We mentor. We have video mentorship coaching calls over there. So get over there and get in on our coaching calls, my friend. We will mentor you. We will help you learn how to navigate this space and succeed. Nicholas, what's up, man? Question: what are some apps you use for crypto exchanges? I don't use, oddly enough, this may surprise some of you, I don't use my phone to trade crypto. I don't use my phone at all. So I don't download any apps. William, what's up, buddy? ZBIC, euphoria is real. People be shocked at the correction. Yes, absolutely. I agree. I agree 100%. And, I get people getting mad at me saying that, there's going to be a correction. But, hey, man, you know what? It's been going crazy, okay? Crazy. You're nuts if you think it's not going to have a correction. Absolutely nuts, okay? I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, okay? Ceiling fan, I tried selling ZBIC yesterday on Coinbase Wallet. Failed my transaction, and it keeps going up. It's meant to be. Dab, can you say ZBIC in your Arnold voice? ZBIC. Probably not. I need practice. Hopefully Trump will keep quiet so BTC can break 112. Yeah. Well, we broke 110 earlier today, so that was good. But love watching Caesar. Yeah, Caesar's the man. Caesar is the man. Absolutely. I love watch Caesar every night, every evening. Happy Memorial Day, Rob. Are you still planning on coming down to the U.S. of A? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Send some ETH to your address. Another local. Nice, nice, nice. Another Z correct. Another gem will pump. There you go. Exactly. We start making videos on bead market to teach new people like me how to learn charts. On the bear market, yes, we are over on the Patreon. We are going to be focused heavy in the bear market on teaching people how to read charts, how to identify structure, patterns, technical analysis and stuff. We're doing that over on the Patreon. We're not doing it on YouTube. It's over. It's cooked. Uphold charges astronomical fees. What do you think about Flare? I love Flare. Flare's fantastic. Flare's a fantastic project. They have the AI tag. They're in the XRP ecosystem. Yes, I am a fan of Flare. They're also connected with Songbird, I believe, right? So very bullish on that. Absolutely. Absolutely. What crypto exchange you recommend? Depends where you are, Nicholas. It depends where you are. If you're in the States, I mean, you can use crypto.com, you can use Coinbase, you can use Coinbase Exchange, Phantom Wallet would Coinbase Wallet or Phantom Wallet would probably be best for the States. Chris, welcome to the family, my friend. Welcome aboard. Awesome to have you, man. I finally joined yesterday after so much struggle. There you go. Nice. Sol versus Sui. Geez, that's a tough one. Probably long-term Sui because there's just a lot more room for growth, but the Solana ecosystem is doing absolutely fantastic. I think that Sui and Ondo are going to have Solana-like bull runs next cycle, right? Both of them will be over $100, I believe, in the next cycle. Been saving up some money to buy a computer to continue my investment. For now, I'm stuck on Coinbase. Well, there you go, USA. Gaming PC, Carlos. Yeah, gaming PC would probably be best, honestly. All right, so we are caught up on the news. Let's get into some of the. We're caught up in the chat. Sorry, let's get into some of the news. Let's see what's going on out there in the wide world. What do we got? Zebek, another listing, guys. This is the second listing. I covered the first listing this morning for perpetual futures, which usually precedes a spot listing. So we're seeing a lot of exchanges are starting to follow Upbit. Was it no? Which exchange was it that they're working with right now? Why did I think Upbit? I can't remember. Anyway, yeah, a lot of listings coming for Zebek, guys. A lot of them are going to follow suit. So absolutely, thanks for all the info and the quick response. You're awesome, Rob. Hey, no problem, brother. I wish, but I'm a truck driver, so I have nowhere to set it up. Sup, big dog? Can you do TA on LCX? Where do you think it will get this run? LCX is still a very small cap, right? I believe. Is it still pretty small? Yeah, it's only $125 million market cap for LCX. I mean, it's going to break its all-time high for sure. I think it's going to break its all-time high. What was its all-time high? 56 cents? Probably 80, 85 cents is where I'd probably be looking to target for an exit on here, honestly. It's very similar to a lot of other charts right now, just a downward channel, just waiting to break out. Very similar to like Jasmine and so many others. It's the exact same structure. So yeah, it's going to have a breakout soon. I would say somewhere probably around that 80 to 85 cents. Uphold, Carrie Ann. Yes, thank you so much. I don't know why I had a brain fart there. Chris, just joined your Patreon. I've been waiting for a while. I want to make some money on these gems. I'm glad to be aboard, my friend. Awesome. Welcome to the family, Chris. It's awesome to have you, brother. Awesome to have you. Yeah, guys, you got to get over there. We are looking at right now, guys. Again, I keep saying it. If you are looking at Zebek right now and you're thinking, man, like, is it too late to get it? Did I miss it? Is it going to pull back so I could buy more? Guys, listen. It's up over 400%, okay? But I got good news for you. We are currently accumulating the next one that's going to go off here in the near term over on the Patreon. I just dropped an updated video on that gem yesterday over on the Patreon. Get over there, check the video out, check the gem out, guys. Don't be sitting on the sidelines in a few weeks going, is it too late to get in on this one too? Get in early, guys, before it pumps 400%, right? That's how this is done. The link to the Patreon is in the chat. It's in the pinned comments. It's in the description. Get over there, guys. Deb, did you hear about JP Morgan's Jamie Dimon announced they're offering Bitcoin? Yes, I did. He capitulated. He bent the knee. I hope Coinbase will consider adding ZBIC. I think they will. It's already on Coinbase wallet. So where do you see Spell Token climbing to? Honestly, I have no idea when it comes to Spell Token. I'm not a fan of Spell Token. Anyone who's been around a while would know that. And the reason I'm not a fan of it is because it has an algorithmic stablecoin in their ecosystem that it depends on, and algorithmic stablecoins are about to be banned in the United States, so it's not a good hold in my opinion. They're going to list a Z on Coinbase, just a matter of when. Exactly. Thanks, brother. Everyone, like and subscribe. Yes, absolutely, guys. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? I would like and subscribe to your channel, guys, right? Don't do me dirty like that. Come on. Help a brother out. Help a brother out. What do we have? 80 likes? Come on, guys. We can hit 100 likes. We can hit 100 likes. Okay, so what else do we have for news? Let's see what else is going on out there. A little clip here from Kathy Wood. What do we got? She says, Kathy Wood of ARK Invest calls Solana anti-fragile.
I would say from a consumer point of view. So Solana has been very interesting. It is what I would call anti-fragile in that it is really one of the few protocols that has gone through a full market cycle, including 2021 when Sam Bankman-Fried was a huge supporter of Solana. So everyone thought, okay, well, that's that. And here we go. It resurrected. And not only that, in July of 24, the number of new developers developing to the Solana ecosystem surpassed that of Ethereum and became.
I remember that clearly, guys. Everyone was asking me if Solana was dead. I swear all the time. Solana had dropped down to like $40, and everyone was asking me if it was dead. And I was telling you guys, no, Solana is not a dead project. And boom, she's absolutely right. I remember it. And it was because of FTX that Solana got a bad rep.
Became the highest. So I think I always say follow the developers. And it is catering, this network, while Ethereum is much more institutional, I would say, Solana is catering to and attracting the consumers because it is much lower cost and it's much more agile, quicker, adding updates and so forth. At ARK, one of the things we look for in a new technology is falling costs and accelerating uptake, and that's certainly Solana.
I am bullish on Solana, guys. Very bullish on Solana. I love their ecosystem. As you know, if you're on the Patreon, you know some of the gems that we're into. Solana based. Bitcoin rebounds from key support resistance at 110K could open the path to 120K. Bitcoin has moved upward again on May 26, 2025, with prices reaching $109,987 as a result of a 2.2% increase over the last day. According to the market, BTC has managed to break through a major level and maintain its position over a crucial support of 106,800, with the price continuing upward. The next focus is on resistance at $110,078, which may indicate short-term movement. This movement follows a period of consolidation with a prior breakout yielding gains of over 49% from 76,000. Traders are now watching the bullish structure form as the price aims towards $120,000 in coming sessions. The chart demonstrates that BTC moved significantly on May 2nd, exceeding the wedge pattern and breaking its downtrend. From mid-January through late April, this formation led to a gradual decline in price. Following the breakout, Bitcoin rose from close to $76,000 to almost $113,000, giving it a 49.47% increase in price. The acceptance of this breakout was confirmed by increased trading volume and strange upward candlesticks, making it structure for future pumps. Following the rally, Bitcoin paused and consolidated slightly around 110,000, which acted as a resistance. The price then retested a newly estimated support line near 106,800. The strong reaction off that level has helped confirm it is a valid floor. Now, the market is observing renewed buying interest just below resistance, setting the stage for a potential continuation upward. Notably, the resistance at $110,078 now becomes a critical level to watch. Bitcoin has tested this zone multiple times during the current move. A sustained break above this level could unlock the next bullish leg towards $120,000. The chart also outlines a projected move of 12.42%, targeting the price level near $125,234. However, if sellers re-enter at this resistance, short-term consolidation between 106,800 and 110,078 may continue. Traders are closely monitoring this range for further confirmation. A clean move past the resistance would suggest, so what they're talking about is a clean candle, daily candle close above there is what we're looking for, above 110,000, $110,078. So that's what we're looking for here, guys, for Bitcoin's continuation. Chris, I know you don't like spelling. We'll bring it up again. Getting some dry powder tomorrow, and we'll be DCAing into the gem over the next week. There you go. What do you think about Mass Network? I've never heard of it, my friend. Solana has the best tokens. Yes, I agree. She's very unstable. Do you remember she said coin stock? She sold coin. Yes, I remember that. I do remember that. That was a couple of years ago, right? 2023. Joe, happy Memorial Day. Thoughts on XDC? 1/3 of all-time high. Yes, I like XDC. I hold a little bit of it. I am a fan of it. Its market cap's a little bit bigger at this point than I would like, but I do think it will go into price discovery mode. It also has a massive community behind it. So yes. David, what's up, my dude? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. All right, what else do we have going on? Now, I have a story here, guys, and this is relevant for Jasmy, okay? So Janction. Microsoft spends approximately 47% of its capital expenditure on NVIDIA AI chips. NVIDIA's stock price hit a high of $153 at the beginning of the year, but it also began dropping dramatically recently due to investor worries. As the first quarter results are looming, analysts believe spending on NVIDIA AI chips for data center revenue will continue to slow down. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole story, but I wanted to let you know why this is important, right? And it's because it's going to get harder and harder to acquire these NVIDIA GPU processing chips, okay? Now, why is this relevant? Well, guys, Janction is building the world's largest GPU cloud for processing power, and they rent out this processing power. That's what they do, right? So many AI companies and projects are going to come over, and gaming projects as well are going are going to come over to the Janction and Jasmy ecosystem to develop, because they're going to be able to get free or cheap and affordable GPU processing power to develop their projects, right? That is very, very key as we see the availability of NVIDIA GPU chips getting harder and harder to come by with tariffs and everything going on as well. We're starting to see the development and the launch of Janction's GPU cloud. This could be a perfect storm for Jasmy, you guys, right? Do not sleep on technology. I hold a lot of XENs still. Nice. There you go. Silver Sailor, what's going on, man? Good to see you again. I'm up over 400% on ZBEC and thinking of taking profits. Ask me. I know you're over on the Patreon, so I will be talking about that later today on the Patreon, what kind of plan we can put in motion. So I will talk about it over there today. Same, I have a ton of XDC, but it's still stuck. I've been allocating to ZBEC. There you go. Do you want to take profits and move into another project? How do you hide scam coins on Coinbase Wallet? I don't use Coinbase Wallet, so I couldn't tell you. I think I'm at like 20x on XDC. Nice, there you go. There's a hide button to hide small balances. There you go. ZBEC, a lot to crash hard. ZBEC about to crash hard. Yeah, it's going to have a correction, and people are going to get mad at me for saying it, but it is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't, right? So, where's the spot where I can ask about coins? There's a little tab at the top of the chat. It says goals. You just click on that, and you put your altcoin requests in that chat, in that tab. Using Coinbase Wallet. Yep, there you go. So yeah, very bullish for Jasmy there, guys. Very, very bullish for Jasmy. What else do we have? We're kind of pressed for time. We talked about that already. Okay, so let's get into Mr. T here. Boom. All right, so Mr. T Media seeks $3 billion for cryptocurrency investments. Mr. T Media and Technology Group aims to raise $3 billion for cryptocurrency investments with notable Mr. T family involvement at the forthcoming Las Vegas event. It's kind of frustrating when you see these rich people, these multimillionaires and billionaires raising money so they can buy crypto, right? How about I want to raise some money to buy crypto? Can some big entity out there give me millions of dollars to buy Bitcoin? You know, the initiative echoing corporate Bitcoin treasury acquisitions could impact Bitcoin's market, drawing industry attention. The Trump Media and Technology Group is seeking to raise $3 million to buy crypto. The initiative is led by Mr. T's family, signaling a major move in digital asset engagement. Plans include targeting major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, and raising funds through a $2 billion equity offering and $1 billion convertible bonds issuance. So, Mr. T, looking to go heavy. Now, ask yourself this question. Do you think for 1 second that he's not going to want to pump markets after he gets his hands on enough crypto? Of course he is, right? XCN, yep. Do you think ZBEC gets listed on Binance and Coin? Yes, of course. Soon. I mean, as for timeline, I have no idea. But yes, I do think those listings are coming. I always drive listening to music. Now I only drive listening to Big Rob. There you go, man. There you go. That's what I like to hear. We keep you safe while you're driving. Yes, I will post sell alerts whenever I'm taking profits on anything. Absolutely, I will. Give us money to buy crypto. Yeah, in New World Liberty. Yeah, no kidding. Yes, and it will be glorious. Forgot I was on YouTube. Got my answer on the Patreon. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. No problemo. So there you go, guys. Let's go have one last look over at ZBEC before we wrap it up. We got some coaching calls to do. We got some mentorship calls that we got to take care of over on the Patreon, guys. So yeah, ZBEC, I think it's got a little bit, it's still fighting. I think it's got a little bit more fight in it. Can we get up into this area? That's the question, guys. We'll find out soon enough. So yeah, I meant we do it tonight. Possibly, depends on where we go. It's coming, the sooner the better for everyone. Do you use Tangem? No, I use Decent wallet. It is my channel sponsor, so that is the wallet that I use. You can use my link down below to get a fantastic deal. Here up, do you see Jasmy retesting 1 cent 5 if we lose once it's, I mean, that could happen. Yeah, that could happen. Yeah, I could see a world where that could happen. All right, guys, I got to go do some mentorship calls over on the Patreon. Get over there, guys. If you need mentorship in this space, if you need to understand, if you need help structuring portfolios, creating exit strategies, profit-taking plans, identifying studs from duds with projects. And guys, listen, this is the thing. All right. Again, I'll say it. If you are sitting there right now looking at ZBEC going, is it too late? Guys, we're already in accumulation mode on the next project that's going to pop off. We cleaned house on XCN. We're cleaning house right now on ZBEC. We're going to clean house on this next one, guys. Get over there. Get in on this project early before it takes off. Do not be sitting on the sidelines a few weeks from now going, is it too late to buy that one too? Get in on it early, guys. 500. We made 500% returns on XCN. We're made right now over 400% returns on ZBEC so far. Get in where you fit in, guys. Check it out. The link is down below. It's in the chat. It's in the pinned comments. I'll see you guys over there. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. God bless, guys.